In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use item categorization in QuickBooks Online. This process will help you organize your products and services efficiently and ensure that your financial records are accurate and easy to navigate. Let's jump right in. First, to get started, you'll need to sign in to your QuickBooks Online account. This initial step is simply about accessing the platform, so if you haven't done so already, head over to the QuickBooks Online website and click on the Sign In option. Once you've clicked on Sign In, you'll be prompted to choose QuickBooks Online from the available options. This is the correct choice as we're focusing on the online version of the software. Next, you'll need to enter your credentials. This is your usual email and password combination that you use to access QuickBooks. After filling in these details, go ahead and click on Continue. This will grant you access to your QuickBooks dashboard where all the magic happens. Now that you're logged in, let's direct your attention to the Sales tab. You'll typically find this option on the left-hand side of your screen. Clicking on Sales will lead you into a new section where you can manage different aspects of your sales, such as invoices and customers. Here though, we're focusing on item categorization. From the Sales section, our next stop is the Products and Services page. Click on this option to open up a list of all the products and services your business provides. This area of QuickBooks is designed to help you manage what's available to your customers and track inventory if necessary. Once you're on the Products and Services page, find the product you wish to edit. There'll be a list and you'll see an edit link or perhaps a pencil icon next to each product. Clicking on this link allows you to make changes to the product details. Now that you're editing your chosen product, look for the Change Type link usually at the top. Clicking this will present you with different types to categorize your item under. This feature is especially useful if you have a diverse range of products and want to align them into specific categories. Finally, after you've selected the appropriate category for your product, make sure you save your changes. This step is crucial because if you navigate away without saving, your adjustments won't be recorded. This can lead to inconsistent records and we surely want to avoid that. And there you have it, you've successfully learned how to use item categorization in QuickBooks Online. Remember that organizing your products into clear categories can simplify your bookkeeping and make it easier to generate accurate financial reports. Now that you're familiar with this process, go ahead and categorize your items to maintain an orderly and efficient financial system. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.